Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Bytes, your daily dose of the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing technologies that will shape the future, from AI advancements to futuristic transportation, and even the possibility of uploading your brain to a computer. Stay till the end because you won't believe what's coming next. Let's kick things off with the AI and machine learning revolution. Artificial intelligence is getting smarter every day. With AI-generated art, self-learning robots, and ChatGPT-like systems evolving at a rapid pace, we are stepping into an era where AI will assist in medicine, creative industries, and even daily decision-making. Imagine having a personal AI assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. Next up, quantum computing, the next big leap. Quantum computing isn't just science fiction anymore. Unlike traditional computers, quantum computers use qubits to perform calculations at unimaginable speeds. This means solving problems in minutes that would take today's supercomputers thousands of years. From drug discovery to cybersecurity, quantum computing will redefine industries. Now let's talk about flying cars and hyperloop transportation. The dream of flying cars is closer to reality than ever. Companies like Joby Aviation and Urban Aeronautics are developing electric air taxis that could eliminate traffic jams forever. And let's not forget hyperloop technology, a vacuum-based tube system that could allow us to travel at speeds of over 700 miles per hour. A trip from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes? Yes, please. Moving on to Neuralink and brain-computer interfaces. Elon Musk's Neuralink is working on brain implants that could connect your brain directly to computers. This could help people with paralysis regain movement, allow direct communication with AI, and even enable us to download memories. The human brain merging with machines, it's happening sooner than you think. Next, we have 3D printed homes and sustainable tech. Housing crises might become a thing of the past with 3D printed homes. Companies are now printing full-sized houses in just 24 hours using sustainable materials. This could mean affordable and eco-friendly homes for everyone. Speaking of sustainability, tech companies are racing to create 100% renewable energy solutions, including solar panels that work even at night. Then, there's the Metaverse and augmented reality, AR. The Metaverse isn't just for gaming. It's a whole new digital universe where people can work, shop, socialize, and even own virtual real estate. Imagine attending a business meeting as a hologram from your bedroom or walking through a 3D shopping mall without leaving your home. AR is set to revolutionize education, entertainment, and everyday life. Robotics and humanoid assistants are next on the list. Robots aren't just in factories anymore, they're in our homes. Companies like Tesla and Boston Dynamics are developing humanoid robots that can assist with household chores, care for the elderly, and even become companions. Would you want your own robot assistant? Let me know in the comments. CRISPR and gene editing technology is up next. Science fiction is becoming reality with CRISPR gene editing technology. Imagine being able to edit out genetic diseases, extend human lifespan, or even enhance physical and mental abilities. Some scientists believe we could eventually engineer superhumans, but should we? Let's talk space colonization and Mars mission. With SpaceX, NASA, and Blue Origin racing to colonize Mars, we could see humans living on the red planet within our lifetime. Scientists are developing self-sustaining habitats and testing ways to grow food in space. Could Mars become Earth 2.0? Or is this the beginning of interplanetary civilization? Finally, holograms and holographic communication. Remember those sci-fi movies where people talk through holograms? Well, it's happening. Companies are developing holographic display technology, making it possible to have realistic 3D video calls. Imagine attending concerts where the artist appears right in your living room. Wow, the future is looking insanely exciting. Which technology are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you learned something amazing, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos.